guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Emily and today we are feeling a little bit extra festive. So I'm right here next to my Christmas tree. I have the fireplace going on my television right now. I have a nice cozy candle. It's very Christmas vibes up in here and I'm excited because today I'm going to be doing a little DIY that you guys can easily do at home from just one shopping trip. So you may be familiar with the whole stovetop potpourris that people have been doing lately, but what I want to do is put some in jars and make them into a cute little gift for my friends and my family. So that's a nice little addition to any gift that you're giving this year. A stovetop potpourri will for sure brighten their day. So I'm gonna go ahead and share with you guys the whole process and we're basically just gonna do this together. Alright, so I'm gonna show you guys the ingredients that I'll be using for my stovetop potpourri gifts, but you can use literally anything you want. There's so many different ingredients that you can use to make the perfect Christmas potpourri, but here are the items that I decided to choose. Okay, what I will be using today will be first some whole star anise, some whole cinnamon sticks, some whole cloves. Also decided to go all out and get some vanilla bean. Also some bay leaves. And I already did this yesterday, but I went ahead and dehydrated some oranges. And I wanted to dehydrate some cranberries, but these take forever to dehydrate. So we're just gonna add a couple of cranberries to our jars as is. Okay, so we're right here at my kitchen. As you can see, some of these dehydrated oranges got a little too toasty, but for the most part, they're looking good. Dehydrated some tangerines, so that was really nice. And this is my attempt at dehydrating the cranberries. As you can see, we cannot put these in a jar because they will get very messy. So I'm just gonna leave those as is, how they come in the bag. What I'll do is just let my friends know that the shelf life on them is going to be not as long as it would be with all dehydrated fruit, but that's okay because Christmas is literally next week, so I'm pretty sure everybody's going to be using their stovetop potpourri as soon as possible. So let's go ahead and set up to get started. Okay guys, so we have our ingredients here and let me just start off by saying that this smells so amazing right now. So I can't even imagine how wonderful it's going to smell once it's on the stovetop. I'm so excited. It's gonna smell so amazing. It already smells like Christmas in here. So I'm gonna go ahead and run you through all of the different ingredients. First, we have our dehydrated oranges and mandarins right here. And then we have some whole cloves, some whole star anise, some bay leaves, some cranberries, and I almost forgot the cinnamon sticks, and some vanilla bean, which by the way smells so amazing. Then what we're going to be using to put them together are these jars. You can go for a much smaller option like a mason jar. I already have these, which are a little bit bigger than you would probably want, but that's okay. I just want to use what I had, and then I'm just going to use some jute twine. And then I got these free printables and they just say handmade with love, add water and simmer on the stove. And then it just says stovetop potpourri. Okay, so I'm right here with all of my ingredients, smelling so nice and I'm excited to get started. So what we're gonna do is go ahead and just start filling them up. So I'm just gonna go ahead and try to make it as cute as possible. For the vanilla bean, however, I will only be putting in one because vanilla bean is pretty strong. So be mindful about that and let's go ahead and get started. this is my first time making these, but I've always wanted to make them. I just never like made the time for it or anything. But I just love these so much because it's not only super easy to make, but they just look so nice and thoughtful. Like, I just think that a handmade gift is the best. And I know I appreciate a homemade gift, so I know that my loved ones and my friends are going to love it too. So I'm gonna go ahead and just make the rest, and then I'm gonna share with you guys what they turned out to look like. So I'm bringing over the rest of them because obviously I was just sharing with you guys how it looks all cute. Okay, so I changed spots really quick, but I finished one up and it looks so cute. So what I decided to do was get some craft paper that I have for like gifts and packaging and stuff, and I just went ahead and cut them up into squares to top it off, so it's not just the white lid. It looks a little bit more homey this way. And then I used the little printable cards. I went ahead and cut it diagonally so it looks a little bit nicer, and then of course I tied it all with the jute twine, and I think it looks so cute, you guys. This also helps because these are really big jars, so obviously I'm not filling it up completely all the way to the top, so having this really helps it. It makes it look a lot more full. And then I'm gonna make about 2 more, and I also want to make a reel out of this for Instagram, so excited for that. So let's go ahead and do this one. So you're gonna want to make sure that you're pretty even right in the middle, and then I'm gonna grab one of these. I'm just eyeballing the twine really because you could cut it after. As you get closer, you could adjust it to make sure it's even. This part can get a little tricky. Now I'm just tying it. I'm gonna go ahead and cut this a bit. And then of course these, I'm gonna want to cut them diagonally. And then I'm gonna go ahead and fold them down a little bit so they don't stick out so much. And then there you have it. All right, you guys, so I just finished filming the reel for this, and let's just say it got a little crazy. So yeah, my kitchen is looking a little messy. Got some stuff on the ground. This room, just, yeah. We're good though, because I am so happy with the way that they turned out. I just love how these turned out. They look so cute. I know my friends and family are going to love them, and I'm so excited to also try them out myself. I think I'll also be using some of these cinnamon sticks and any leftover oranges for my Christmas gift decorating. So this is how I usually do my packaging. I just do craft paper, and then I always add a piece of garland or Christmas tree trimming. And then what you can also do is add, like, I haven't even glued this on yet, but I just wanted to get an idea. So these are one of the DIYs that I had made last time, and you can just like add that. So a cool idea would be to try out some different ways to decorate by like adding this, adding some cinnamon sticks and everything. So it's just gonna be really cute, some bay leaves. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and replace them with that. I hope you guys enjoyed today's DIY. Let me know if you're gonna try it or if you've ever done these before. Like and subscribe so you guys can see my next videos. Thank you guys again, and I will see you next time.